Hey gents, I just thought a couple of things, just last gasp things that I suspect they would not give you the formula for the area of a circle, pi squared, or the circumference of a circle, which is obviously its perimeter, which is either twice pi times radius or pi times diameter. Those are kind of bits of general knowledge that you would be expected to know. Second little kind of last gasp thing is just the volume of what's called a right prism. Now, a right prism is any shape where the top and the bottom are the same. Right, so and the reason it's called a right prism is that the sides are at right angles to the top and the bottom. Okay, so and the general formula for volume of one of those bad boys is just the area of the top times the height. So for example, here it would be the area of one of these triangles times the height. Here it would be the area of the circle, which we've already said is pi squared, times the height. And here it would be the area of the top, which would be kind of length times breadth, times by the height. Okay, then just another little kind of important idea is that a cylinder, if you're working out the surface area of a cylinder, it's actually made up of kind of three different pieces, two circles, the top and the bottom. But if you picture the side kind of cut and opened out, it's actually a rectangle. And that rectangle's got a height of h, and a length equal to the circumference of 2 pi r. So again, all of that stuff is kind of considered general knowledge, and those formulas likely wouldn't be provided. Right, last little thing that we have spoken about, but also just an important idea which can be applied to 3 dimensions as well. These two little houses here are similar, right? Suppose their lengths are in the ratio 3:1, all right? So let me write that length in the same corresponding place. Okay, so 3:1. So every single dimension is kind of 3:1. Then the sides are in the ratio 3:1. The areas would be in the ratio 3 squared as to 1 squared. In other words, 9:1. But in fact, the volumes, if you worked out the volumes of these little houses, would be in the ratio 3 cubed as to 1 cubed. Right? In other words, 27:1. Right. So it equals 27:1. Right. So just be aware that obviously they've got to be similar, but you square up the ratios to get the ratio. You square up the side ratios to get the ratios of areas, and you cube up the side ratios to get the ratios of volumes. Last little thing is that a regular polygon, okay, so this is actually a 12-sided shape. Any polygon, all right, the exterior angles, all the exterior angles together add up to 360 degrees, right? So if this is one of these regular exterior angles, there would be 12 here. 12 lots of theta would be 360. Right, which would mean that theta would be 30, right, which would mean that each interior angle would be 150 degrees. So it's just a quick, clever way of working out the interior angles of a regular polygon. Okay, the last thing to say is don't get a late night, and all the best for tomorrow.